Miss Maria.
Actually, direct and indirect speech. Last day we discussed present tense, how to transform, how to turn into indirect speech. We study. Today we can complete all the present course. Okay, see, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. I am going to write one or two examples. Then we can analyze that sentence. Kumar said to Venu. Kumar said to Venu. After that comma must be there. Kumar said to Venu. You are reading. You are reading now. You are reading now. When we write direct speech, when we write the direct speech, Kumar said to Venu. After that, the reporting verb, comma must be there. What we are telling about the sentence, what he said, that sentence must be in the double inverted commas. Okay, full stop. These many things compulsory in the direct speech. In the indirect speech, when we turn this sentence into indirect speech, only full stop will be there. Remember it. Kumar said to Venu, you are reading now. See, present continuous tense is changed into past continuous. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. So, Kumar said to Venu, I am going to write the indirect speech. You see, indirect. Kumar told Venu that he was. Okay, now we don't say I. Kumar told Venu that he are. What is the past tense of are? Were. But we use here the subject. Kumar told Venu that he. So he where we cannot say. So was has to be used. Kumar told Venu that he was reading. Now will be changed as done. Okay, full stop. Remember that very clearly. When we turn the sentence into indirect speech, that has to be followed by the full stop. There is no comma. There is no inverted commas in the indirect speech. Remember it. There is no comma. There is no comma or inverted commas. Nothing is there. Even question mark also not there in the indirect speech. Only full stop. Okay, remember it. Write it now. Did you write it? Okay, see. Some of the words in the direct speech, some of the words from the direct speech will be changed in indirect speech. What are those words that we can study now? You write like this. Right side direct, next side indirect. Like that you write it. Another way. Okay. In the direct speech, now becomes then. Now becomes then. Today becomes that day. Here becomes there. This becomes that. Now becomes then. Today becomes that day. Here becomes there. This becomes that. Ago becomes before. Ago becomes before. So becomes thus. So becomes thus. THUS. Now becomes then. Today becomes that day. Here becomes that. This becomes here becomes there. This becomes that. Ago becomes before. So becomes thus. Okay now. Yesterday becomes the previous day. Yesterday becomes the previous day. Tomorrow becomes tomorrow, spelling TOMORROW. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Last week becomes the previous week. Last week becomes the previous week. Last week becomes the previous week. Next week becomes next week becomes the following week. Okay na? The following week. Last week becomes the previous week. Next year means next year becomes the following year. Okay, I hope you wrote it. Just my number. All. Right now, Priyanka said to Swati, after that a comma has to be there. Okay, I am waiting for bus. I am waiting for bus. I am waiting for bus. Like that, who said? Priyanka said. Priyanka said to whom? Priyanka said to Swati. I am waiting for bus. That time Swati tells to Kirtana. How Swati tells it? Okay, let us see. Priyanka told Swati. Priyanka told Swati that Priyanka told Swati that I will be changed as she. Because not Kirtana was waiting, not Priyanka was waiting. Who was waiting? Swati. Sorry, Priyanka said to Swati, no. Who is waiting? Priyanka is waiting. Okay, Priyanka told Swati that Priyanka was waiting for the bus. Right now. So, she was waiting for bus. Okay, now she was waiting for bus. You understood now? Understood or not, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is a rule. Present, you write down. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. Present continuous is changed into past continuous tense. Present continuous is changed into past continuous tense. Okay, we can go to present perfect tense. Next one, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect, how to turn to past entire tense. Present perfect. Okay. They said to Murali. They said to Murali, comma, Murali, M-U-R-A-M-Y. The name only you write. Come on. They said to Murali, we have completed our work today. We have completed our work today. In the present perfect, that double inverted comma is compulsory. Present perfect tense. In the present perfect tense, we can use the timing like today, now, this year, this week. Like that we can use it. But we should not use any timing that mentions the past tense. For example, I have met him yesterday. Wrong. I have met him today. Right. Okay, like that. That we can discuss later on. There said to Murali, we have completed our work today. It is direct speech. When we turn it into indirect speech, remember it, present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense. Okay, see, then the answer will be like this. They told Murali that we have completed now. That will be changed as they have. Okay, they have completed our work. See, they have completed whose work? Our work. They have completed our work. Our work, when we say how it goes, they have completed. They told Murali that they have completed their work, not our work. They have completed their work today. Today will be changed as that day. Then see, they have completed their work that day. That day. Last, only one full stop should be there. Not inverted commas, no commas. Just do it.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Okay, you can ask.
Sir, it will be have or it will be had, sir. Have completed or had completed.
Had completed.
Then you.
Oh, I don't have there. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, not now, had completed. Had completed. By mistake it happened. Very good, very good. I told you that the present perfect will be changed into past perfect. But when I wrote what I wrote have only now. Very good. You have to ask now. In the beginning of the you are supposed to ask that. But this Priyanka, Swami, or Rajul did not say no. Present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense. Right? Then it will have becomes had. Absolutely. Very good, Kirtana. Excellent work.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. It is appreciable. Actually, I explained the rule. By mistake it happened. Okay, present perfect will be changed into past perfect. Okay. Now it is showing. It proves that you understood what I said. Okay, we can go to next tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. They said to her.
Your video has paused, sir. Sir, your video is stuck, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me see.
Sir, your video got paused.
It was not at all long. They said to her, we have been waiting for you since 7 o'clock. When we turn this sentence into indirect speech, they told her that we changed as they. They present perfect continuous tense changed as past perfect continuous tense. Okay, they had been waiting for you has been changed as her here. You can see. They had been waiting for her since 7 o'clock. Understood now? Present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. You can write it now. That one also. Present perfect continuous tense is changed into present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Did you write it? Okay, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Some easy method I tell you to remember these points. See, after that we can stop it. Already we studied this much, right? Direct and indirect speech. How to turn it into indirect speech? Already we studied all the tenses from present. All the tenses I mean from present tense only. Some easy method I tell you. See, direct speech. You can write like this: direct, and this side is indirect. Okay, see, simple present tense. Simple present. Simple present what becomes, or you can write here becomes, simple present becomes simple past. Simple present becomes simple past. See, present continues. Present continues. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Past continuous. Present perfect. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Right? Present perfect continues. Present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. All this English grammar is actually almost 90% English grammar is the game with this tense only. If we know the tenses well and if we understood the trick, it is easy for us to do. See, simple present tense becomes simple past tense in indirect. Present continuous becomes past continuous in indirect. Present perfect becomes past perfect in indirect. Present perfect continuous tense becomes past perfect continuous tense in indirect. This much understood or not?
Yes, sir.
You just study the transformation of these tenses when we turn it into indirect speech. You study. Then I told you some of the words will be changed in the indirect speech. Now becomes then. This becomes that. These becomes those. I did not write that I think. These THESE. These becomes those. Today becomes that day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Yesterday becomes the previous day. Last year becomes the previous year. Next year becomes the following year. Like that, some changes are there. These changes you must study. You must instill that in your brain. Okay, you should have an aspiration to study. Then only we can acquire all this. Okay. Then remember this trick also. All present tenses will be changed into the corresponding past tenses. Then we turn it into indirect speech. Understood or not? Understood now? Okay. You made some examples today. For an example, I am reading. If anybody said, he told me that she is reading or he is reading will be changed off was reading. I have completed my work will be changed off they had completed their work. Okay. We have been waiting for. We have been waiting will be changed off. They had been waiting for. Had. All present tense will be changed into the corresponding past tenses. You please practice it today. Make some examples today. Okay, it's quitting time.